G'day folks, Connor here from CW Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're doing a quick unboxing of the Umidigi A7 Pro. Happy days! Now there will be a full review on the A7 Pro soon, but this is just an unboxing so you can see what you get in the box and I can go over colors, specs, that sort of thing, but not a review. Let's get into the video. Let's go! Links down below for the Umidigi A7 Pro. This comes in at 220 Aussie dollars, 180 US dollars, or maybe even less. So really good bargain price for the A7 Pro. Nice and simple packaging. All right, some quick specs on the Umidigi A7 Pro. You've got a MediaTek 6763 chip, 8 cores up to 2 gigahertz, Android 10, which is good to see, 4 gigs of RAM, and this model comes with 128 gigs of storage. You can also get 64 gigs of storage. You can have 2 nano SIMs in it and a mini micro SD card. 4150 milliamp hour battery, 6.3 inch full HD display. I love it. USB Type C, let's go and see what it's all about. Thanks. A thank you card. Here is the device itself, and yes, it comes in the unmistakable Umidigi case. I like that. Now this is the ocean blue color. Is that ocean blue? Ocean blue is the color I got. So I'm going to take the case off so you can see the color of it. Let's have a quick look. Oh, that looks snazzy. Snazzy, snazzy. It also has a screen protector applied to it already, which is good to see. Now I'm going to power this on. While that's booting up, I'm going to have a quick look in the box. Get a charging brick, looks pretty stock standard, and you get the red cable. So it's good to see a bit of color in the box, you know, a bit of contrast in color. I like that. USB Type C cable. Now what's in this little envelope right here? A7 Pro quick start guide and a SIM card ejection tool. So let's have a quick look around. Fingerprint scanner on the back, quad camera on the back as well. Beautiful ocean blue color. It's got a solid steel frame, and you can feel that too. You can feel that in the build. You can feel there's a bit of heft in it, and it feels nice. It's good to hold, you know, it's not too light. So this sort of feels like in between the Pixel 3 and say the Nokia 6.2. Here's the 6.2. So you can see a bit of a difference there. On the side here is where you have your SIM card tray and your micro SD card tray. On the bottom, you've got a headphone jack. So big up yours to all the companies that don't put them in anymore. Great to see from Umidigi. A7 Pro has one. Got a little microphone here. You got the USB Type C and your speakers here. No front-facing speakers, but I didn't expect that at this price point. All right, so for the camera, you have a 16 megapixel main sensor here. Then you've got your 5 megapixel depth sensor. Then you've got a 16 megapixel wide angle. And then you've got a 5 megapixel macro. And the first one I'm going to test, here you can see here, picture mode in normal. There we go. Looks like a pretty cool photo. Zoom in, looks nice and sharp. I mean, we're in really good lighting here, so you would expect nothing less. However, some phones you get these days couldn't even take a photo here. Now we're going to go to wide angle. And that is wide. Take the photo, and you can see the difference. Normal, wide angle, huge difference. And we're just going to zoom in on the wide angle, still nice and sharp. And I'm not sure if you've noticed, but while I've been testing this, as soon as I hit the shutter, it takes a photo, and that is what you want to see in a camera, no matter how cheap. If the shutter's slow and laggy, it's just a disaster. So anyway, you all know that that's one of my bugbears. Macro, let's go macro. Now with macro, you have to hold it less than 3 centimeters from your subject. So I've got my rock here and I'm gonna go less than 3 centimeters. Snap the photo. That looks amazing. Look at that. Let's not forget, this is a $200 phone. All right, now portrait mode. We all know I'm beautiful. We all know I'm a supermodel. Let's go portrait or portrait rear facing. So portrait's only available on rear facing. I've got to try and set this up. Self timer, I'm going to go 10 seconds. 10, 9, must be getting close. It worked. And you can see there's a blurry background there. Definitely a portrait mode shot. Now just standard front facing camera. Let's get rid of portrait. Switch the camera around. Man, the quality in these cameras. Look at this. Now, I know I'm no supermodel, but it's the quality of the camera we're looking at there. So I really dig it. Now let's have a look. Now obviously, any new phone becomes a fingerprint magnet straight away, but that is what it is. You've got your fingerprint scanner on the back there. And let's have a look how quickly that works. That took about a second, I'm not gonna lie. Takes about a second, but it works and it's in the right spot. I don't like the in-display fingerprint scanners very much. I do like that rear mounted one, I love it. That's why I'm using the Pixel 3 at the moment. That's where the fingerprint scanner, it just is natural. That's the best spot for a fingerprint scanner, is right there on the back. Now for performance, general use, look, I've just set it up, we all know that, but it seems snappy enough. It's a good looking display. I mean, it's 6.3 inch Full HD plus, 19 by 9.5 aspect ratio. It's a nice display for the price. I don't think anyone's going to be upset with this. You've got a 4150 milliamp hour battery. You have your front facing camera on the front here, looks nice. Volume rocker on the right hand side, and below that is your power button. Nice solid feeling device, I like it. I'm digging it, I'm digging it, I'm digging it. And Umidigi puts their case in it, I like that as well. No headphones, but you know, not too fussed about that. You've got your speaker up the top here for taking calls on. Let's look at the software quickly. And you can see we're running Android 10 April 5th security patch, which is pretty cool. I mean, it's a $200 phone and we're in July, so it's about 3 months behind on security patches, but you expect that with these cheaper devices. Face unlock, pretty stock standard. Obviously we have dark mode, which looks fine. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see in the full review. I'm excited by this phone. I love reviewing phones that aren't the best of the best. You're paying $200. That's 10% of the price of a Galaxy S20 Ultra. 10% of the price. It's half the price of a Nokia 6.2. You're getting a lot of bang for buck here. For $200, you're getting an amazing little phone. So, like I said, hit me up in the comments. What do you want to see in the full review? I'm going to go over everything: gaming, camera, performance, video performance. I haven't tested that yet. So, general day-to-day use, battery life. I'm going to cover it all. Let me know. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Check it.